I'm Chris Kubal. Here's a look at your Local 5 weather impact forecast. Right off our southeastern edge, strong to severe storms for Tuesday evening. This, by and large, is staying out of the Local 5 area with one exception down on our extreme southeastern edge. Watch the thunderstorm energy here stay in southeastern Iowa. So really honing in down towards Appanoose and Davis County. This would be the lone area I would be watching for a brief interval where those storms will build before pushing off to the east. Highlighted here, this is where the best severe prospects are going to be for Tuesday evening. Anywhere south of this stationary front as this area of low pressure pulls closer. Now, close. Worthy of watching, I'm expecting to avoid severe weather in the Local 5 area and central Iowa. Extreme southeastern Iowa has the best chance. These storms pulsing up after 7 o'clock. Take a look, pushing off to the east quickly and out of Iowa. There will still be a couple of areas of rain to watch near the Missouri border overnight, but this will not be severe producing. Incoming with a band of showers and snow. When we get past daytime, that warm air will take effect, while some minor accumulations will be possible north of Highway 30. I believe this is going to be confined to grassy and elevated surfaces. Any other rainfall is going to be on the minor side. Incoming from the north and west, there will be a little bit of a breeze, especially early, and that's going to limit the temperatures, but that breeze turns southwesterly for Thursday, ramps up, and we should kick those temperatures back up into the 50s. Let's talk the snowflakes. Again, north of Highway 30, a minor grassy or elevated accumulation. Better chances of running into an inch or more are going to be closer to the Minnesota state line. I don't expect any travel impacts based on how warm the scenario is and how warm the ground is going to be and the brevity that we'll be dealing with any snowflakes. Rainfall amounts, again, are going to be minor. Some exceptions down south where those storms will build initially. 35 degrees for tonight's overnight lows. We never do fully dip below the freezing point. But still watch for that morning mixture of rain and snow, particularly over northern Iowa. We'll clear out. That breeze out of the northwest is strongest in the morning. We'll look for a high of 45 degrees with those temperatures slightly cooler north and east and warmer to the south. Let's talk about the winds here. On Wednesday, through the middle of the day, gusts to 35 miles per hour. But on Thursday, they start to return from the south and west. This is where those wind gusts have a better chance to reach 40 or 45 miles per hour. We'll be watching for the need of a possible weather impact day there for high-profile vehicles on the travel scene. But otherwise, we're just looking at a breezy day across central Iowa. Looking ahead, there's going to be a lot of opportunities for rain and snow chances, with probably the best one lining up this weekend. Temperatures are going to vary greatly on the daily level. Take a look at these temperatures. Up and down we go, with some of the coldest lining up Sunday into early next week. So that's still a bit of a wintry feel here. Taking a look at the mid-range heavy snow or heavy rain precip we're going to be eyeing, targeting more so up into Minnesota at this point. Here's a couple of those waves of precip sliding through. We'll have a band of rain and snow mixture early on Sunday morning. Then our next system's going to be pulling in as we get into the weekend. That one, possibly that heavy snow producer. Where exactly it lines up, still well in limbo at this point. I would say probably closer to the Minnesota border for the best opportunity. Still, we're going to line up these chances, and we'll dabble back and forth between rain and snow as we go through time here. Getting into St. Patrick's Day, we are going to be on the cold side of things, and still a snow chance tucked away in there, but we'll bounce back towards the end of next week. Those temps will be targeting the 60s in the end.